Good morning students, this is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. In last video, I had discussed about the loops in Java, that is while, do while and for loop. Now in this video, I am going to discuss nested loop in Java. Nested loop. When we use a loop within another loop is said to be a nested loop. One thing keep in your mind, in the nested loop, the inner loop repeats a number of times for each repetition of outer loop. Java provides us three types of nested loop. The first one is the nested for loop, second one is the nested while loop, and third one is the nested do while loop. Now nested for loop. When a for loop is within another for loop is called the nested loop. Now example. First I have taken an example of single loop. Here see this. For in this loop I is equal to 1, for I is equal to 1, I is less than 4, I plus plus. It means this loop revolves the statement system dot out dot print star 4 times. So it prints 4 star in a single line. I have taken system dot out dot print, not the println. So it prints the 4 star in a single for line. But my topic is nested for loop. So this is the example of nested for loop. Here I have taken two loops. First loop is for I is equal to 1, I is less than 4, I plus plus. And within this I have taken the another loop for j is equal to 1, j is less than 4, j plus plus. See this, when I is equal to 1, outer loop I is equal to 1, then the inner loop j is revolved 4 times, because if j is equal to 1, then j is less than equal to 4. So it starts printing from 1 to 4 times. So it prints 4 star in a single line. And after that, when this inner loop ends, then I have written system.out.println. By this, the counter comes to the next line. Now when I is equal to 2, then again the inner loop revolves for 4 times and it again prints 4 star in a second line. In a same way, when I is equal to 3, it prints 4 star in third line, and when I is equal to 4, it prints 4 star in fourth line. By this nested loop, here we print 4 stars in a 4 lines. Now I have changed the example, and instead of printing star, I have print the value of j. The same way, when I is equal to 1, the outer loop I is equal to 1, the inner loop prints 4 times, and now the inner loop prints the value of j, and j start first time j start from 1, then second time it is 2, then third time it is 3, and then 4. So when the I is equal to 1, it prints 1 to 4, and when the inner loop is in, it comes to the next line because of the system.out.println statement. Now when I is equal to 2, it prints again 1 to 4, because inner loop revolves 4 times when I is equal to 2. In the same way, it prints 1, 2, 3, 4 in a 4 times. Now little bit I have changed again the condition in the inner loop. The now outer loop I is equal to 1, I is less than 4, and I plus plus. Outer loop 1 to 4, it revolves from 1 to 4. But now in inner loop I have changed the condition, j is equal to 1 and j is less than equal to I. The inner loop j, the condition of j is depends upon the value of I. So when I is equal to 1, first time I is equal to 1, then j is equal to 1 and j is less than equal to 1. It means the inner, when I is equal to 1, the inner loop revolves only one time, so it prints 1. The next it comes to the next line because of system.out.println. Then I is equal to 2. When I is equal to 2, inner revolves 2 times, because here the j is equal to 1 and j is less than equal to 2, because the value of I is equal to 2. So it prints 1 and 2 second time. Then when I is equal to 3, the inner loop revolves 3 times and it print 1, 2, 3. And when I is equal to 4, the inner revolves 4 times and it prints 1, 2, 3, 4. So it prints triangular shape of the number. Now the next loop, nested while loop. When a while loop is used within another while loop, it is called a nested while loop. The same way, I have taken the same example just like a for loop here again, but in while loop we have taken 3 things: initialization before the loop, then the test condition, and within the condition we increase the value. So here again same, the I is equal to 1. When I is equal to 1, the inner loop revolves 4 times, j inner loop revolves 1 time, because here I have taken the condition j is less than equal to 1. So when the I is equal to 1, inner loop revolves 1 time, so it prints 1. When j is equal to 2, inner loop revolves 2 times, it prints 1, 2. And when j is equal to 3, it revolves 1, 2, 3. And when I is equal to 4, the inner loop revolves 4 times and it prints 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the next for loop is nested do while loop. The same way, when a do while loop is used within another do while loop, is called a nested do while loop. I have taken the same example with the do while loop. Within the do while loop, I have written do while again, but do while is a exit control loop, so we check the condition at last. In the same way, when I is equal to 1, then the inner loop j that revolves 1 time, because j is less than equal to 1, it is depend upon the value of I. When j is equal to 2, it revolves 2 times. When j is equal to 3, it revolves to 3 times, and then j is 4, it revolves 4 times. In this way it prints 1, then the second line 1, 2, and third line 1, 2, 3, and fourth line 1, 2, 3. In this way the all loops of Java nested loop I have discussed. So student, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.